Hi guys, so today in this video I'm gonna show you how I did this look for under 5 minutes. So I'm sure most of us are looking for a nice quick makeup when we are in a rush, like me when I'm dropping kids off to school. So some moms want to go quick shopping and just want to put some nice glow in their face. Yeah, this might help. So if you want to see and you want to know how I did it, please stay tuned. So I have my timer here, just 5 minutes. So when I'm ready, I'm gonna press stop. So I'm just gonna do a primer. I've already prepped my skin. Just in case I need it. Oh, don't waste them. Oh, it's already look glowy, my skin. So I have this concealer, and the darkest or natural is this Chanel one. Oh, just want to put concealer. Powder. Using a setting powder. Oh, not setting powder. Pressed powder. Minutes left. Bronzer. Eyebrows. Mascara. And that's How much have I got left? Less than a minute. Wow, we have 40 seconds left, and I'm gonna put a quick blush because I didn't intend to put blush. It wasn't there. And that was it. I've got 18 seconds left. 18 seconds left. So I've got 18 seconds left. So I'm gonna come back and get changed. And yeah. So guys, this is the finished look. It's nice and simple and quick. It's under 5 minutes. Actually, in between I had to pause the video and I forgot to stop or pause my alarm, my timer, until about 15 seconds later, because my husband came in, so I was doing the 5-minute challenge, so I was like okay. Anyway, so I skipped the foundation bit. I just put primer, which you can use a glowy primer. I skipped the liquid foundation bit because I tend to spend more time with the foundation bit because I want it to pack in and, you know, make sure it's really what do you call that, really into my skin, really blended into my skin. Hello darling.
Can I change?
Yeah, I'm gonna change you in a minute. Let me just finish this film. And so I skipped that one. Instead I put a glowy, nice glowy primer, and then I put setting or powder, what do you call this, I put a, what do you call these, press powder. I put a press powder. You can use loose powder foundation as well. And then after that I've done my bronzer. And then I put a bronzer, and then I put a quick blusher, and I put my eyebrows, quick eyebrows, and then my mascara. I only have Vaseline on my lip. I didn't put any lipstick on. You can put lipstick if you have time or if you want to give color on your lips, but it's your preference, it's up to you. But this, from now on, I'm gonna do this because husband is complaining that I take so long. So I think I'm gonna put full makeup when I'm just going somewhere, like for lunch or for dinner, especially for dinner. But if I'm just dropping off the kids or going shopping, I'm just gonna wear this one. I think it's really nice, simple, but you don't look dull, you feel glow, you look glow. So yeah, if you like this video, wow, well done my darling. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe.